Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we'll teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update. First solution, force restart iPhone. Press the volume up button and quickly release it. Press the volume down button and quickly release it. Press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. The second solution, turn on and off airplane mode. Open settings and locate airplane mode. Then toggle it on and off. The third solution, disable restrictions. Activate the settings app and find screen time. Then press content and private restrictions. Now, turn on and off the button. The fourth solution, reset network settings. Click Settings and navigate to General. Press Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Select Reset and press Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode according to the instruction. Choose Reset Network Settings to begin the process. The fifth solution, use a powerful iOS system recovery software like Joyoshare UltFix. Download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150+ issues on your iPhone. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Okay, now, you can click the Enter Recovery Mode button and select the Start option. Choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone stuck on verifying update issue without data loss, and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should check if the information is valid and correct. Download and select the right firm package. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.